Hi. How to use YouTube training videos directly from simpliRP ERP. Click on the Help button. There is a link on the top. Click here for YouTube training videos. In the new pop-up, type few letters of what you are searching for. In this example, we will type purchase order. All the videos related to purchase order will appear. Click that and click Go. A link will appear. Click on that. It will take you to the appropriate training video. We will see another example. Please feel free to contact us to know about more features. Thank you.